Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. We went through a move and then it took a while to get settled, and then we had COVID and just it's been just kind of crazy. So I am officially in my office. It's still not completely all unpacked and everything, but hey, it's work's got to be done. So that's what I've been doing. I actually just finished my pink Leopard digital planner, and it is actually a revamp of my Totally Rosy, which seems to be one of my popular ones. But this one has a lot more stuff in it. It has a leopard print cover. I'm going to be walking you through this planner today. So if you want to see what all is in this planner, stick around and let's get to it. Okay guys, so I'm going to try to make this quick. I'm going to go through and make sure I show you everything so that you know first if you're on YouTube and you're watching this and you're wanting to see what's in the planner before you buy, but then also to show you what all is in it after you buy. So I do have some videos on Metamoji Note and GoodNote, so if you need more of a tutorial, I'll kind of cover some of the things here, but I do have some tutorials and some top tips on using GoodNotes on my channel, so I will link that below. Again, like I said in the intro, this is my pink leopard digital planner, and it is a revamp of my Totally Rosy planner. Kind of has some of the same colors and stuff, except for that I did do a leopard print and just kind of made it a little better. So this is your cover. Doesn't really do much of anything, but it will take you to your index page if you click on the binder rings. And this planner I also have two indexes because I added some extra things in there. I want to make it as functional and as easy to navigate as possible, so I do have two indexes, and if you click on the top here, it's going to bring you to this one, and if you click on the bottom, it's going to bring you to this one, and I'll explain this a little bit in a second. So here is just your kind of start here page. If you need any help or anything other than this video, if you still have some questions, there is some links down here on how to reach me. Again, you're going to... Okay, so we have year at a glance, finance, meal planner, shopping list, contacts, passwords, goals, vision board, gift lists, and stickers. And all these are clickable, and so are these down here. These go to your notebooks and stuff, and then you also can access things with your tabs over here. Okay, first we're going to go to year at a glance, and this is just a blank because this is undated. Year at a glance, and if you want to come in and put in the dates every year, you can do that. So you would just come in and write like that if you want to. That way you can just kind of look at everything, or if you want, you could just leave it blank, or you can just click on each of the calendars and it will bring you to that month. Okay, so here is our monthly layout, and it is undated, but it does give you spaces to put dates, and I do have those stickers, part of the sticker books that comes with this planner, and it does have 6 weeks. That way it leaves you room to add your 30 and 31 whenever your months run longer into other weeks. You also can click on any of the weeks right here, and it's going to bring you to that week. So if we go week 1, this is going to bring you to the first week. And you can put in your dates if you want, because this is undated. You can use it year after year, so it's made where you can customize it as needed each year. And down here, this is going to be all of your numbers for each month, and if you click on them, it's going to take you to that daily page, because no matter what, you're going to have 31 days in January and so on, so that you don't have to worry about numbering or anything. And then each year you can just come in here and highlight whatever day of the week it falls on if you would like to do so. Okay, so you might have noticed these little icons right here, and I'm going to go back to the index page. And what I did is every single month has 5 extra pages that are linked to that month. So it's a finance, a habit, a notes, a reflections, and a blank page. So you can use stickers, inserts, whatever you want to put there. So let me go show you. So I made this index so like if you took notes in January, instead of having to go through your months and then go all the way to the end and just click on a bunch of links and stuff, you can actually just come to this page and you're going to click January and it's going to bring you to your finance page for January. So, and then on any of these pages you can click on and it's going to bring you to, that's going to bring you to your January at a glance. So before the month gets started, you can write down some things, take some notes. If you know there's some birthdays or some dates coming up or you need to do some stuff, you can put that in there before the month even gets started. And then again, you got your finances, and this is for that month. So you can come in and you can do your finances and you can budget and stuff. This will be the habits for that month. And then we have a notebook section just where you can take notes for that month. And also if you want to, you can duplicate these. And then we have a blank page. The blank page is for whatever you want. If you want to use it for notes, or if you want to insert some different stickers, or you want to use inserts with different layouts and stuff, you can do that. It's however you want to use it. As you're going through, if you want, you can click on each of your tabs over here to go through your months, which if you notice, everything flips over just like a real notebook. You can quickly access all of your months. And again, they all have the symbols up here so that you can quickly access that month's goals, finances, notes, reflections. So again, we have a month at a glance page so that you can put in things before the month gets started, a finance page, a habit tracker, notes, reflections. Reflections are for you to come back and reflect on what you did that month, what you got accomplished, and maybe where you need to improve. And then again, the blank. If you go up here, you have your notes section, and this is just where you have different kinds of notes. We have a blank note, a notebook paper, a dot grid, some graph paper. And again, all of these you can duplicate. Say you want to duplicate this page right here, there's a few ways to do it. You can hit the plus sign, and you can do the current template, and you can do it after, before, last page. So we're just going to duplicate that. And now I have two. Again, if you want to see a tutorial on how to use GoodNotes, I will link those below. We have a goals for your short-term and long-term goals. Again, you can duplicate this as many times as you need to. We have a vision board. We have a finance page for like if you just need an extra one. You can duplicate it and put it wherever you want. Okay, and then you have a tab for your stickers. Right now there's not anything in there. I will come back to that in a second. And then we have extra, and that is just where you have your meal planner and your shopping list. You have a contacts list. You have a passwords list. Again, this is just your extra stuff. A gift list. And then at the bottom you have 5 different sections that are blank that you can come in and give a name to, and then you can use them however you want. So if you want to come in and make this your note, so we are going to type notes, and then we can so now you have a note section, and then you want to take your notebook paper and you want to make a note section. We'll go back to our notes section. We're going to take this page and we're going to copy it, and then we'll go back to our new section and we're going to hit the plus sign, and we are going to paste the page. So now behind this section that was blank, I now have a note section. And then again, I can duplicate this or make it whatever page that I need. Okay, so let's go back to the stickers. So this comes with about 200 stickers. Okay, and the stickers are already pre-cropped, so I added a sticker guide to help you get the stickers. So there's going to be 3 pages of stickers, and I'm going to put it in. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it big, And now I'm going to come in here and pull my stickers back up. I'm going to go to page 1. And then I'm just going to start dragging in my stickers. I'm going to make sure I'm on the sticker icon. And then I'm going to shrink these down. And then I'm just going to line them up. Now you can use this guide if you want to help do the stickers like I had them. Or you can just put them in however you want. It's up to you. And then whenever you're done, you're going to take your big sticker and remove it, and then all your other stickers will be there. I'm also including a bonus set of stickers that actually came with the Totally Rosy pack. You also have some stickers with your numbers. That way, if you want to come through and date your planner really easy, you can just come in and drop your numbers in and then use the little squares to help you size them. Just like that. So yeah, I hope you love this planner as much as I do. I plan to start putting videos out again now that I've gotten somewhat settled. And if you have any questions or anything, just feel free to reach out to me. And I'd love to see how you use the planner. So if you have a screenshot or something that you want to send me or tag me on social media, I would love that. And you guys have a great day, and I will catch you on the next video.